Alright guys, today is, well, it's technically 12/22 on Saturday, April 27th, but in reality, our day on the 26th only ended 22 minutes ago. We've got Carl in the house, and we've got Aiden behind the seat of her truck. And as you can see, we've got some things done now. Don't get excited, we're not ready to prime anything yet. The passenger door and passenger fender are as they were yesterday. We did get the welding done on the driver's door. The bottom's on now. Good to go. The driver's fender, as you can see, we still got the wheel well to do, and the bottom back leg area. But if you look in the truck past Aiden, you can see we've got some Dynamat pads in now, the speaker mounts. And we are going to try to get the stereo and the dash back together, as well as the carpeting and the seat in tomorrow. That all can be masked off inside the cab when we spray paint, so let's get more stuff done quicker. The box, Aiden was a champ today, and she completely sanded out the box, ready to go. We got a little bit of spot putty to take care of a couple little tiny digs that we missed. And Carl has been an extra champ as well, doing the tailgate, which with all the lettering is quite an intricate thing to sand, and he has knocked it out of the park. He's got a little bit to finish off tomorrow. Again, passenger side is complete. So we put the fender on the truck on the passenger side here so we could take a look at... Oh man, I gotta do this again. I'm getting tired. So we put the fender on the passenger side of the truck so we could check our gaps and everything. Like, what you have to understand is this truck was mass produced by the thousands, hundreds, millions, whatever. And they didn't worry so much about gaps from the factory, I can tell you that. So what we end up having is a very large gap issue on the driver's side. But we didn't notice it before because the door pins were shot. Anyway, long story short, we're going to do what we can to line it all up. We're not going to remake the gaps at this point in time. The driver's fender is getting welded up, and the body work will be done tomorrow on the fender and the door. Those two will be sitting in primer and ready to be blocked out Sunday. What else do we got going on, guys? Is that where we're at?
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, nothing else to really...
I got the hood done.
Yeah, Aiden finished off the hood that Nat had started. The valence is done, the gas caps, all that stuff. And we're in pretty good shape. A little bit further along than I was expecting.
6 days left.
6 days left. Alright, well, I'm going to let Carl do the nice 45 to 50 minute drive home now, because I'm such a nice guy.
Oh, great guy.
And Carl will be back in the early afternoon-ish to help out with more work on the truck. And Aiden's here, I'm here, we might have Jeremy tomorrow, couldn't make it tonight. And Sunday we might have Brad, maybe, he's going to try. It's basically whoever has free time now is coming and helping, and we are so appreciative it's not even funny. So, from Dave, Carl, and Aiden, thank you very much for checking out the videos, guys. This is our 4th update, and we have, well, how many days?
6.
6 more days to go, and we will get all these updates done and make a truck. We'll see you on the next one.